Hello YouTubers, how are you? My name is Ahmad Nazir and I am a digital marketing expert having 2 years experience in SEO and in social media marketing industry. Today my topic is what is meant by Google Search Console, and I will walk through regarding Google Search Console and tell you about the which things we will do right for Google Search Console, and you will add how to add Google Search Console to your website, and how the data will be shown in Google Search Console. All the things will be recorded, all the things will be seen on this video, so stay tuned. Okay, uh, now uh, for example, if you want to add add your website in Google Search Console, then what will we do? These are my all the data that I have been added to my Google Search Console, and you should go to the add property, and there will be a two sections here. And if you have a domain, if you have subdomains to your main domain, then you can add this section, and if you have only one domain, then you can add this section. It depends upon your requirement. So you should know which so you should know which section will be good to your uh, point. So for example, if you want to add as a domain, then you will go and add main domain here, like example.com, and like you will see that digisolhub dot com. These is the main domain, and if you have subdomains to that main domain, then all the subdomains will be shown by choosing this section like this. You will remove these, and then you will add to the continue protocol, then you will shown all the subdomains to that main domain. So I will it totally depends upon your requirement. So after adding this continue button, and there will be a three options, like meta tag verification code, and then you will copy this tag verification code to the home page of your header in WordPress, and then you will verified, and then you will be verified, and all the websites will be shown here. Like you can see to my all the websites has been shown here. So for example, if I will go to this Vatnologics websites, and there will be a different section here, like overview, index, experience, enhancement, links, and these are all the sections that I have been discussed on this video. So stay tuned, and I will explain performance. As you can see that there will be a different clicks here. Like you can see that if I am like in Friday 28 29 May, there will be a 0 click. Like in Sunday 30 May, there will be 2 clicks. Like in Tuesday January 15, there will be a 3 clicks, and like in 2024 June, there will be a 6 clicks. So these are all the clicks that are being shown on per day basis. So after clicking to this performance, you will see different types of clicks. These are all the last 6 months data, and you can see that there are 164 clicks, 13.9k impressions, average CTR 1.2%, and 49.2% average position. And you can see that these are all the stats that these are all stat at how many clicks have you got, like how many impressions do you have got, like what will be your average position. So these are all the data of last 3 months of this website, which is named Veteran Logics. So if I'm talk about this query section, then there will be a different queries for example, if I am searching how to convert PSD to HTML using bootstraps, and these are the top queries that in which we have got clicks, impressions, and CTR. And these are all the queries that I have been ranked on the Google Search Console, Google Search position. So these are, for example, if I am searching how to convert PSD HTML with Bootstrap, I have got 15 clicks, 153 impressions, net product CTR. If I am searching, if my query is PSD to Bootstrap, there, then I have got 12 clicks, 1000 impressions, and average CTR. These are all the queries that I have been ranked, so that I have got clicks, impressions, and CTR. So now my next, I will go to the next part, which is a pages section, and you can see that how many pages do you have, and how many pages have you ranked, so that you have got clicks. So for example, if I am searching, if this is the page that I have been ranked, and the query is how to convert PSD to HTML using Bootstrap. So this page has got 111 clicks, 999,000 impression, and sorry, and these are all the clicks, these are all the pages where I have been got different types of clicks, impressions, CTR, and every position, as you can see that. Now I will go to my next country section. um, this section has shown like how where I have been got clicks, like in which country I have been got clicks. Like in Pakistan I have got 55 clicks, like in India I have got 25 clicks, like in Bangladesh I have got 8 clicks, United States I have been got 6 clicks. These are all the stats that have been shown by country basis where I have got clicks, impression. So this is the device section, which is very clear that in which device I have got clicks. Like in desktop I have got 131 clicks, like in mobile phone I have got 33 clicks. So these are all the stats that are recording to the device section. So this is the performance tab. Like I will go my next section of overview, and this is basically inspect URL, in which for example, if you have installed, if you download, like if you want to check that your page is indexed or not, then you will, then you will go to the inspect URL, and you will see that you have got means you have page index or not. Like for example, if I am going to veteran logics, and basically I am checking that my page is indexed or not by using this tool, which is the inspect URL. So this is my company's website, and you can see that it's made of good. And I will go to the blog section. We will go to these pages. I think it is easy for me. And for example, if this is a page and you want to check that this page is indexed or not, and you will copy this link and go to the inspect URL section, and you can see that this is the basically tool that this tool checking that on the Google Search Console. Like you can see that URL is in Google. It means that your page is submitted and it has been indexed. So this is basically a tool that you can check that your page is indexed or not. now my next section is index. Index is very important section, and in this section you have seen that there will be a zero error, zero, and for 54 pages has are valid. Means that as you can see in the below section that these pages, 35 pages has been submitted. It means that submitted means that 35 pages has been submitted to the sitemap, and 35 pages has been indexed, and in the below section index but not submitted in sitemap. It means that 19 pages has been submitted and but not submit. It means that 19 pages have been indexed but not submitted in sitemap. It has a lot of problems, like you can see that there will be a different types of errors, different types of spamming has been shown here. So these pages has been indexed but not submitted in sitemap due to many reasons. So I will go to the next part, which is a sitemap. In this tab, what will you do? You will enter your URL here and sitemap here and submitted it. Then you will see the I have already submitted my sitemap, so I will not explain this sitemap how to submit. It is very simple. You will go to this sitemap section and enter the URL and then submit it, and you will see that your sitemap has been indexed here. As you can see that there is a statistics and discovered URLs 58 URLs. Okay, now I will go more to the next section, which is the removal. This section is not important. No, I will not explain you here. This section is not very important. So I will go to the my next section, which is the page experience. Page experience. This update is outdated, not not updated. So I will explain my next part, which is core web vitals. Core web vitals is basically uh, is used used to check the speed, what your speed in desktop and or in mobile. For example, if you have a mobile, then you can see check the speed, like what will be your speed in mobile and what will be your speed in desktop. This is the option that Google Search Console provided us. Now it takes a little bit time, so be consistent. You will see the results, like how what will be your speed in mobile and what will be speed in desktop. As you can see that I have got mobile speed which is very low. If you have a speed in range in 50 to 89 or 91, then it will be a good for you. So I will optimize my website regarding the mobile speed. So basically I am checking you that what will be your, if you, according to me, your speed should be 90 to 100%. uh, and if you have in desktop, you will see that if your website has 90 to 100, then it will be good. And in mobile, if your website speed is 50 to 89, then it will also be good. So you should focus on, like you can see that our speed is 58, which is low in terms of desktop, and I will work on this speed later. And now I will go to my next section, which is the mobile usability is very important. You should know that your mobile searches are increasing day by day, and 70 to 80% searches are going through searching through mobile. So you should optimize your website according to mobile, and so add mobile pages and mobile friendly pages, and there will be three different errors. If your pages are not mobile friendly, then there will be three different errors that will be shown, like text too small to read, clickable elements are too close together, and content wider than screen and content sense. These will be different types of error if you are not if your pages are not mobile friendly. So focus on mobile friendly pages in order to get good results regarding mobile. These will be our breadcrumbs, and you can see that there will be 13 breadcrumbs that are valid, and you can see that there will be different types of breadcrumbs that has been shown here and are valid. So you should focus on breadcrumbs. These are the site link searches, search box. Like you can see that there will be 13 links that has been valid. So you should add site link search box here. Now my next important part, which is links. As you can see that this websites has external links and internal links here, as you can see that, and there will be a top linking text here, and top linking text shown here. So external links are basically the links that has been shown, that has been coming through your website, that has been coming outside to your website. If you have made backlink like article rewriter, then this is the backlink that has been come to the external side. And internal sites are the links that are from internal, like if you have a home page and you will get link to the contact us page, and when you click on the home page section, and then there will be a contact us page will be opened, and this is the external links. Then as you can see that there will be a 1286 external links and 5084 are internal links. These are the top linking sites. Like how many links have you got from these sites are shown here. Like in lol wow, you have got 708 8 links. Like expedition s.sc, you have got 266 links. So these are all the stats regarding backlinks. So this is the top linking test, like what will be your anchor text to made backlinks. Like if you have created backlinks and you have used Logics as an anchor text, then there will be shown here in top linking text section here. So this is the walkthrough of Google Search Console. And if you have any query regarding this tool, you can contact us. You can comment in the section below, and I will be able to reply you. Okay, bye.